Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to control the volume on your JBL Flip. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to control the volume of their JBL Flip. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's go ahead and power on our JBL Flip. And then in order to control the volume, you're actually going to find this plus and minus icon. So the plus icon is actually going to increase your volume, while the minus icon is going to decrease your volume. In addition, you also have this triangle icon. If you press this, it's going to pause or play your current track. Now in addition to these buttons right here, you also have the Bluetooth icon, which is located right over here. And then you also have the pairing icon, which is going to connect to other JBL speakers that are around you. So with that being said, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and increase or decrease the volume or control the volume of your JBL Flip. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.